Hello people, this is the ANZAC range at Malabar, Sydney. Malabar is a foreshore suburb that is being used as a shooting range by a number of shooting clubs in Sydney. On top of that, the Commonwealth government also owns a slice of the land which they also use it as the shooting range. So apart from being a place for shooters, this is also a foreshore area that has a fabulous view.
这样蛮好玩的，这样是可以，然后拉一下这个是吧？
Oh, okay. Now that is one scary sign, but I can't see any red flags around, and also I've been told by a few locals who's walking their dogs behind the fence that the sign only applies when they are shooting. Well, since that they are not shooting now, so I think it'll be okay for me to go across. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but right over there near the hill is like one row of white targets, so that's another shooting range. Wow, look at that. That is just fabulous. Wow, so this is the crate which we saw just now from right over there when we were down there, and I've come around on the left side, so as you can see, gosh, this is a really huge crate. I'm not quite sure what this is. Maybe it was struck by a comet. I thought what I'll be doing is I'll walk towards the end of the shooting range and look at those targets. So just now when we were back right about there, all we can see are just tiny little white dots. But now we are a lot more closer. You can see that those tiny white dots are actually numbers and English alphabets. So let's get a bit closer and have a look at that. Anyway, so I suppose this is like the end of the firing range. When the soldiers are doing their live firing exercise, this is where they will be firing into. So yeah, like I said, all the tiny little dots that we saw just now, signs made up with letters and alphabets. Yeah, so I suppose down below is the trench for the guys, for the soldiers to hide in there from all the bullets and to change the targets. You can see all the bullet holes on the sign. Not really sure which caliber is this, but I think it's most likely 5.65.